Do any of these vents ever get in the way of your installation? When you're thinking about installing solar panels on your roof, there are a few things to consider. Since the roof space is limited, it is crucial to make the most of any area receiving direct sunlight. While most installers will design a system to fit and work around these obstacles, what if I told you many of them can be moved or eliminated? Here's how. During the first inspection, use the video inspection tool. Each vent can be checked to determine if they are only ventilation holes that can be moved to a better location or not required at all. This solar toolkit will help you video inspect, mark, and easily remove any vent you run into. The result? Improved design, efficient use of the available spaces, and a final appearance that looks so much better, all done without you ever going into the attic. The Solar Roof Jack Diversion Toolkit comes with all the necessary items you need, including a video inspection system, a metal cut template to cut the proper sized hole every time, a battery-operated router, the tri-blade straight bits, and the roofing repair materials to help you remove, reposition, and patch those areas to look like they were never there. With the Solar Roof Jack Diversion Toolkit, you can look at your next solar installation a little differently by easily adding more solar panels to a future installation. To get started, go online and order your first complete solar toolkit or refill packs today.